They're home to a billionaire's fortune.
Are you videoing?
Nothing. I dressed.
Saturday morning on HGTV. It's a whole block of shows.
Should move like the thing you can see your mouth.
Get your green on.
Oh yeah, good stuff.
Saturdays at 9:30, beginning with Landscape Smart on HGTV.
So reblock the audience.
I was glad she's making that.